I'm Gemma. I am Head of Vocational Learning at Access Courses Online, which is part of the Cambridge Online Education Group. Access to HE courses are delivered by our highly specialist tutors and are available in a range of different subjects such as nursing, social studies, business, education and art and design. Access Courses Online is unique because we offer bespoke learning schedules starting all year round, which allows for flexible learning but also the one-to-one teaching and support from specialist tutors throughout term time. Although you are learning remotely and online, you still get that human face-to-face support and encouragement throughout your course. They are a full-time one-year Level 3 diploma which prepares adult learners for and gives them the entry requirements required for degree level study. This course enables those who do not yet have a relevant Level 3 qualification to go straight to university. Lessons are live every week but are recorded for those that need to work more flexible and in their own time. Learners are expected to complete self-study and independent assignments, but one-to-one support is open all day during term time should learners want guidance at any time. So if you want or need a degree, this course is the preparation course you need to get there. You must be age 19 or over at the time of completion of your course, but don't worry if you haven't been in education for a long time, you are exactly who this course is designed for, and our teachers are experts in helping you get back into education. Applications are open throughout the year, but to be fully prepared for university, applications for the new academic year will start in September. So make the most of our promotional prices and discounts for our starters. So if you want or need a degree, this course is the preparation course you need to get there.